Algebra can feel like a foreign language, especially for students with dyscalculia or mathematical learning difficulties. Symbols and rules may seem disconnected or confusing. But with the right tools and support, abstract ideas become concrete and confidence begins to grow. In this video, I'll walk you through a lesson I use when students are first learning to model equations. We won't be solving equations just yet. Instead, we'll be focusing on building understanding step by step. So let's imagine you're the student. If you want to join in, you'll need to grab some algebra tiles, pencil and paper. By the end of this session, you'll be able to model equations using algebra tiles and clear drawings. Remember though, we're not solving equations just yet, we're building understanding step by step. At this stage, students should be familiar with key algebra vocabulary, basic rules, and how the area model connects to the naming of algebra tiles. This content, however, will benefit from regular revisiting and gentle reinforcement. So we'll begin with a vocabulary game designed to refresh understanding, build confidence, and prepare the student for modelling. Let's climb the ladder by demonstrating our knowledge of algebra vocabulary. Here's how it works. First, you need to match the word to its meaning. Then you need to identify an example. Finally, you will describe the word in your own way. Each correct answer will move you up a rung on the ladder. Each mistake and you'll slip down a rung. Let's try it with the word equation. An equation is a group of terms with no equal sign, a letter that stands for a number we don't yet know, a whole number, positive, negative or zero, a single piece of maths made up of a number, a variable or both, a math sentence with an equal sign. Pause the video while you think about it. Did you get this? A math sentence with an equal sign. If you did, move up one rung on the ladder. Which of these is an algebraic equation? Is it 4 plus 5 equals 9? 12 minus 3 is greater than 6, x plus 2 equals 7, or y is less than 10. Pause the video while you think about it. The correct answer is x plus 2 equals 7 because it has a variable and an equal sign. If you got that right, you can advance up one rung on the ladder. In your own words, what is an equation? Would you like a prompt? An equation is like a what, where both sides are whats. These pictures may help. Pause the video and have a think about it. Did you get an equation is like a seesaw where both sides are balanced? If you did, move up one rung on the ladder. We would continue this game with other keywords like expression, a group of terms with no equal sign, a variable, a letter that stands for a number we don't yet know, an integer, a whole number, positive, negative or zero, and finally we're left with a single piece of maths made up of a number, a variable or both. This is a... Pause the video and have a think about it. Did you get term? Move up one rung on the ladder. Now that we've refreshed our vocabulary, let's move on to modelling equations. This is an algebra mat. It has been split into two halves. The vertical line represents the equal sign. Here's an equation modelled with algebra tiles. On one side, I have a positive x tile and 3 positive integer tiles. On the other side, I have 7 positive integer tiles. The equation being modelled is x plus 3 equals 7. Now it's your turn. Here are the algebra tiles. What equation is being modelled? Use the prompts. On one side of the mat is, on the other side of the mat is, the equation being modelled is. Pause the video and have a go. Did you get this? X plus 2 equals 5. On one side of the mat you have a positive x tile and 2 positive integer tiles, and on the other side of the mat you have 5 positive integer tiles. X plus 2 equals 5. I will continue in this way, I do, you do, asking students to model equations, covering one-step equations, two-step equations, equations with variables on both sides, equations with negative coefficients, and even quadratics, building fluency and confidence as we go. To help students deepen their understanding, we can also start with equations. Here's an equation, 2x plus 3 equals negative 3. To model this with algebra tiles, I'm going to need, on one side of the mat, 2 positive x tiles and 3 positive integer tiles. On the other side of the mat, I'm going to need 3 negative integer tiles. 2x plus 3 equals negative 3. Now it's your turn. Here's your equation, 2 plus 2x equals negative 10. Can you model this using algebra tiles? Use the prompt. To model this equation, I will need. Pause the video while you have a go. Did you get this? On one side of the mat, you have 2 positive integer tiles and 2 positive x tiles. On the other side of the mat, you have 10 negative integer tiles. 2 plus 2x equals negative 10. Next, I'm going to ask the students to try drawing the tiles. Starting with the equation x squared equals 4. I'll go first. To model this equation, I am going to draw a blue square to represent x squared and 4 positive integer tiles. Now it's your turn. Use the prompts. I will draw. Pause the video while you think about it. Did you get this? A blue square for x squared, and on the other side of the algebra mat, 9 positive integer tiles. Well done if you did. We can really help students strengthen their internal representations of algebraic concepts and relationships by visualizing the tiles. Take the equation x divided by 2 equals 5. I'll go first. To model the equation, I am imagining a positive x tile that has been split into 2 equal parts. One of those parts is shaded darker to show half of x. I can see a vertical line to represent the equal sign and 5 positive integer tiles. Now it's your turn. Here's your equation, x divided by 4 equals 2. Use the prompt I am thinking about. Pause the video while you have a go. Did you get this? Were you thinking about a positive x tile divided into 4 equal parts? One of those parts has been shaded darker to show x divided by 4. A vertical line to represent the equal sign and 2 positive integer tiles. Well done if you did. Let's finish with a game to reinforce what we have learned. This is a classic memory game. Click a card to reveal what's underneath. The amber cards are equations. The grey cards are algebra tiles. Find the matching pair and keep it. If not, flip them back over. Keep going until all pairs are found. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Before I go, I'll leave you with some tools and resources to support your maths journey. Please do get in touch and let me know how you get on.